Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Death Note Season 1, Episode 4. I just watched Episode 3. If you want to see my reaction video about that, I'm gonna put the link. I told you during the intro of the last episode that I have some issues with uploading these videos on YouTube because of the fact that it's a real issue and I'm getting blocked each time and they're not accepting my claims, so I'm trying hard really to upload them for you to have them on YouTube. On Patreon you're gonna have them without any issue, but I'm really fighting hard for YouTube. I hope that I'm gonna succeed, but for now I'm not sure that I'm gonna succeed. So I'm fighting hard. I'm gonna try something for this video. I'm gonna try to not make any intro, so maybe, you know, for the timing they're gonna see more easily that I'm respecting the fair use rules, because I'm respecting them for each videos by just putting less than 8 minutes because it's short episodes, and also by putting less than 8 seconds of a scene. Really, I'm respecting really a lot the fair use rules when I can see that other reactors are not doing it and are not getting blocked. So I don't understand how it's working, so I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna make a really short intro, so maybe, you know, they're gonna see that the timing is short. I'm gonna try that. No intro today. Go check the review of the last episode to have my thoughts and opinions about this show, about light, about air, about the fact that they are the nemesis of each other, but they have also a lot of similarities. And I can see, you know, that I'm not ruling for anyone right now, because Light is a psychopath for now, and Air maybe can do things that I'm not gonna appreciate, like I can already feel it. Go check my review, and let's go for this episode 4 already. I think that it's the shortest intro that I never made on my channel. Let's go. I'm trying something. Maybe it's gonna work, maybe not. We'll see. You have my Patreon like usually, on which you can find the episodes earlier, 4 weeks already, and also with an extended or a full reaction part. For example, for the first episode, I put the full reaction part. And maybe in fact you can only find videos on Patreon. Me, for now, I don't know it already, but maybe it's already the case. You're gonna accept. At some point you're gonna accept. Not now. Ah! The real... He has to? It's not a choice? Why? It's possible. He believes in himself so much. Ah! It's worse than that. Oh yeah. Oh. You're gonna become one at the end. I really think so. You don't know the reason of your existence? You want to teach him stuff? At some point you're gonna have to eliminate yourself if you really want this world to be a better world.
今日僕を尾行してたやつの名前を知る方法だよ。どうする気だ？デスノートの使い方を利用する。3人が死の直前に今までにない行動？どういうことだ？
Ah, he's playing.
心臓麻痺じゃないのか？刑務所の壁に自分の指を切った血で奇妙な絵を描いています。もう一人は遺書とも何とも言えない文章を残しています。
Ah! Earl is gonna understand that you can change the circumstance of the death.
キアは死の時間を操れる。報道関係には心臓麻痺以上のことは発表しないでください。キアが犯罪者によって何かのテストをしている。
The music is really great.
一人は脱走してからノートに指定したトイレに行き、もう一人は僕がノートに書いた絵と同じ絵を描く。
How many pages do you have into that Death Note?
他の3人はわざとかなり無理な死の状況を書いていたんだ。まず1時間後にフランスのエッフェル塔の前で死
It was impossible.
だからこれは実現せずただの心臓麻痺。次は
So it has to be something that they can do.
その人間がやってもおかしくない範囲の行動だ。いくらでも動かしてから死なせることができる。
Earl was right. You are making some tests.
エルも警察も僕の真意には絶対に気づけない。名探偵は当分犯罪者の残した絵や文章の謎解きに
It's his weakness, you know, to light. To think that it's so clever, better than anyone. It's coming with the God syndrome for sure.
本番？昨日ニュースでやっていた銀行を襲ったが金を奪えず何人か当たる？ああ、こう見えても僕は結構モテるんだよ。ゆう
I don't understand why.
デートか？あ、僕がデスノートに何を書いたか見ていなかったのか？ああ、それ見ちゃうとつまらないからな。どうなるかおとなしく見て。矢神局長の息子、ライト。疑う余地なし。
Okay, so it's really someone from the police. If they put someone after every song, you know.
ああ、それは前日もし1位の立場だから。
Oh, come on, you're really not subtle. Hiding yourself. Everyone can see you.
来た。やつだ。
You told him to arrest the bus on which you would be to make a robbery just right there.
運転手、スペースランドの事務所電話番号はドライバーさんです。今の状況
All of that to have the name of the cop?
銃を持った男にバスをジャックされました。
You want to kill 2 persons with that plan. And you don't think that Earl is gonna find that suspicious?
安心して、犯人の隙を見て僕がピストルを持った手を押さえる。危険か、やめろ。あの犯人と共犯者でないという証拠はありますか？
I don't know if I finished my sentence. That light is right there.
これが証拠だ。見てくれ。
Now he has your name.
FBI。そうか。名前はレイ・ペンバー。では、いざという時はお任せしていいですね。あ、2日前に日本でニュースになっていた男だ。銀行詐欺。
You can't use the Death Note right there. You're gonna use it later.
おい、お前どうしたデートの約束かよくだらねえなんだてめえらそこが一番後ろのやつ俺のことかお前、俺の仕事が見える
Oh, it was one page from the Death Note.
まずい、幻覚を見ているみんな見ろ
Ah, clever light.
もういい
It is. The FBI guy, you're gonna be forced to intervene. Ah!
死神は銃で撃たれても死なない。さすが全国共通模試1位。そしてこのバスジャックを利用して尾行してたやつの名前も難なくゲットか。
No, no, no. He programmed your death. Car accident. Okay, I thought that it was gonna be the FBI guy.
ジャスト11時40分すべて予定通り恐れなき銃を持って乗り込むこのようなものとは思えぬ幻影を見てそれに向かって前弾を発砲しその直後同日11時45分事故に遭い死亡
It's dangerous what you just did. I mean, it's pretty easy to guess.
次はあなたの番だエイペンバ
Right there, someone bad who died and you were involved into his death in a way. The FBI guy is gonna die also. You're not hiding at all. And you know that this man was sent by her, so... It was great, it was really great. We're progressing still into the story. This episode was more about the Death Note, you know, in fact. It was more about what the Death Note can do or not, how Light can use it. For now, he always used it for heart attacks. Again, I really think that the time that he used it, you know, during the first episode to kill that guy during an accident like that because of the guy trying to rape that girl and all, I think that when L is gonna understand that this death was programmed by Kira, he can find Kira, he can find Light. Do you understand what I mean? He was not hiding at all, he was into a supermarket with cameras involved. That death I think is gonna be really important. And right there you did the same, you know, you created an accident like that. I really think that it was not so clever. I mean, the way that he did it with taking the name of the FBI guy, with using a paper from the Death Note and all, that's great, that was clever, that was smart. But the fact that he killed the guy like that, the FBI one is involved, but you can't kill him just like that. It's gonna take time to kill him, you know, to have the Death Note, to write his name on the Death Note and all. I'm not sure that it's so clever, you know. We saw how smart L is. You put an FBI guy on one of your suspects. Someone is dying in a weird way. Someone bad, that everyone knows as someone bad, died around your suspect, and in just a few hours the FBI guy is gonna die also. I'm L, I'm suspecting you even more, and that's it, you're my number one suspect from everyone. That's clever how you have his name, how you killed that guy and all, using the Death Note and all, using the paper from the Death Note. But for the consequences of it, not clever. And I don't think that you didn't think about the consequences of it. You had to think about it. You are followed by an agent. Someone is dying weirdly around the two of you. Soon that agent is gonna die weirdly also. Of course, they're gonna suspect you even more. You thought about it. But you know, Light, he has this thing about being discovered in a way. I mean, he doesn't want to be discovered, but he wants to be recognized. He wants Kira to be recognized as a god, as someone who is gonna rule the world. Like, for him to not accept to have a Shinigami Ai at the beginning, it was not because of the fact that he wants to... It was not because of the fact that he doesn't need it or something like that. It was because of the fact that he doesn't want to give up some time when he's going to be considered as a god. He wants to rule the world. He wants people to know him, to fear him. He doesn't want just to kill the bad persons. He wants people to know that he killed the bad persons and to have the time to rule the world. His weakness really to Light, it's really to think that he's more clever than anyone, that he's smarter also than L. It's really his big weakness. For now, L can have the same one, but at the same time, you know, L is aware of his limits right now. He's aware of the fact that he's limited, he can guess stuff, but even if, you know, he guessed that Kira can be a student, you know, he said something like, he can be a student, we can't erase that possibility. He didn't say, he is a student, for sure, we just have to search for a student. When Light in his position would have said something like that because of the fact that he thinks that he's so clever that he can't fail. Earl is aware of his limits and he knows that he can be wrong. That's a big difference, you know, between the two of them. They are both really smart, really clever and all. They proved it during all of these episodes, the two of them. But the difference between the two of them is the fact that Light is not doubting about how clever he is. He thinks that he can't fail, when Earl is aware of his limits and is accepting that he can be wrong. For now, at least for now, for what I saw about these two characters, it's what I think. Ryuko, his position with Light, it's not clear for me. Saying that he's not on Earl's side, on Light's side, that he's not gonna choose, that he just wants to be entertained because he's bored and all of that. It's not really that, not entirely. Because, you know, he helped Light, saying that this guy was following him, but also telling him stuff about the eye. I mean, maybe he was forced to tell him that. I'm not even sure that he was forced to tell him that. I have the impression that he's helping him. Maybe for the game to last longer, maybe because he wants to be entertained longer. I think that he knows, no, he knows for sure when Light is gonna die. I really think that he saw that Light was gonna die really quick. It's not because of that that he's staying with him. I thought that it was the case, you know, during the review of the last episode, I told you so, that he was staying with Light because he knew that Light's life was not gonna be really long and he didn't want to miss anything about it and all. When in fact, the other Shinigami said it, he has to stay with him no matter what. That's why he's forced to stay with him during classes and all. So I was wrong about that. But still, I think that Light's life is gonna be short. And even shorter because at some point you're gonna take this eye. Right now you're saying that you're not, but at some point, for your ego, you're gonna take it. You know, it's really his ego which is speaking a lot with Light. At some point he's gonna accept just for his ego. For now, he really doesn't need it. He has so many persons that he can kill because of the fact that it's persons that everyone knows as bad ones. But soon, it's gonna be also persons that you know because of the police fight. I mean, soon it's gonna be that, and it can be useful, it can be another clue for Earl to guess who you are. Because your father is working on some cases that other policemen, other cops are not working on. If you're eliminating only the persons that your father knew, it can be a good way to guess who you are. Even more than, in addition to the fact that just right there, two persons who were around you just died in weird ways. Not just died, but are gonna die also for the cop, for the FBI agent. I really think that it's not clever to do that. Or maybe you're gonna kill that agent in a clever way. I'm trying to think like Light. For now, you know the name of this agent and you can decide the consequences of his death. It would be interesting for Light to use that opportunity to kill other agents, other cops. No, still. You know, I was thinking, maybe if you're creating a situation with all of the FBI agents dying in just one shot, Earl is not gonna know who, you know, which agent killed all of the other ones, so it can be great to hide yourself, Kira, but no, it can't be, because just right there you are involved into the death of someone bad, a weird death and all. So still, just because of that death, L can suspect you more than the other ones that he was following. No, it's not working. But still, Light can use this agent for that, for killing other cops. Not to have informations, I don't think so, because he has all of the informations that he needs. Not to guess L identity, because I don't think that this agent knows L identity or has any way to guess it. And it would be really not subtle, you know, for that agent to suddenly search for L identity. Yes, maybe something great for Light right now would be to use it to kill all of the other agents. Maybe. Something which was interesting also is the fact that you can't kill anyone just like that. It has to be realistic the way that they can die. It has to be realistic for the timing that they have, but also for the ways that they have to die around them. And if it's not realistic, if they can't do it, it's heart attack, no matter. How many persons already died since the beginning? From the first episode to this one, so many persons. It was interesting also that thought. It was during this episode or the last one? I can't remember. You know about the fact that criminality went down because of people being afraid of being killed like that by anyone. Kira, you know, is creating an atmosphere of fear. They are not committing any crime. I don't think that it can last because of the fact that death penalty, it's what Kira is doing right now. And this penalty never worked in any country to really put down and really shut off crimes. People who want to commit crimes, they are always finding the way to do it and to not be discovered. Okay, that was a great episode. I really appreciated it. I'm really fully into the action each time. I'm really involved into the story, into how the characters are thinking about their investigations, both of them, what they are doing and all. It's really great, and I also trying to understand also how it's working, the Shinigami, the Death Note and all. I'm really fully invested into it already. I can feel it and I really love that. It's really, you know, I'm excited to discover more each time and to be fully into it. Even if I don't like the characters, and I think that I'm never gonna love some characters into this show, but I'm fully invested into it and it's so great. It's surprising me each time, you know. I love that. I really love that. I don't know if you're gonna see that on YouTube one day, when you're gonna see it, how you're gonna see it. I'm trying my best to fight right there for the first episode, respecting the fair use rules. It's not enough. The 8 minutes thing, it's not enough. I really don't understand how it can work for some people and not for me. It's making me mad in a way, I have to say it. So I'm gonna try, I'm gonna fight. Maybe I'm not gonna succeed, maybe I'm gonna have to find another way, maybe I'm not gonna find another way and it's gonna be only a show for Patreon. For now, I don't know. No matter what, if you want to see this show, go on my Patreon. You have this show for sure, with an extended or full reaction part for sure. It's such a mess on YouTube, I can't know right now when I'm filming how it's gonna end. Okay, so it's all for you and for me for today, so it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye!
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.